everyone, welcome to Crafty Yarn Owl with Darla. So I'm going to be showing you some finished crochet items, and there's going to be a lot of hat and scarf sets. There's going to be a hat that the lovely Crystal designed at Bag a Day, and yeah, so let's just get started. I finished the hat and scarf sets that I had showed you on a previous video. And here they are. There's my supervisor. So for these I used the pastry puff from Hirschner's. This does have wool in it. It is medium 4 weight. 70% acrylic, 30% wool. I think I used, I can't remember if it's a 5 or a 5.5 millimeter hook. There are 228 yards in these. This colorway is, do they have a colorway? There's a number on there. I don't think it had a colorway on the label. But I had 3 balls, or maybe 2 and almost a full one. And I got 2 hats and 2 scarves out of it. So I will link the tutorial to these down below. And this is another one of the hat and scarf sets that I made. It's the same tutorial, which I'll link below. There's my supervisor still here, crossing her legs. That's Minnie. So this is what I had left. Don't you love it when you play Yarn Chicken and win that close? So I used Yarn Bee Soft and Sleek Low Pill Fiber. Now, I bought a bunch of yarn from Patra's Happy Place. So that's how I got this Yarn Bee. In Canada, we can't get this. So they are 232 yards, and I used both of these for 1 hat and 1 scarf. And let's see. This is a medium 4 weight. Suggested hook size is actually 6 millimeter. I think I used a 5.5 maybe. Not exactly sure. And this color is, do we have a, oh, it's 100% low pill acrylic. Do we have a color? Ivory. It's ivory, so it's a little bit of an off-white. It's very pretty, very nice, shows the stitches really well. It's an easy tutorial, you guys, if you want to make it. I'll be donating a lot of these to locally, as well as to Rose Likes Crochet, for her to donate to the Wings Domestic Violence organization that she supports, and a lot of us support by sending in our crochet items. Yeah, so that's the next one. So let's go to the next one. And there's this one. I'm pretty sure I showed you this one before. It's the same design. That's the hat and the scarf. I put fringe on this one. And the yarn I used for this one, excuse me there, supervisor. The yarn I used for this one was gifted to me by Cindy the Crocheter A. This is a basic stitch, reflective, anti-pill and acrylic yarn by Lion Brand. There are 115 yards in here. It's a medium 4 weight. And it says to use a 5 millimeter hook. I don't know if I use a 5 or a 5.5. It's been a while because I've worked on these over the last couple of weeks. This is pure platinum. So it's a gray, really nice gray. And I used the three skeins of it, and this is what I had left. So that's that one. And here's another set, same design. This is the yarn I used it for the tutorial. So this one is, I made a really long scarf to go with this hat. It's hanging over the edge here. And the yarn I used for this was the Craft Smart Value. And it is 214 yards, 120 grams. And it's a medium 4, 5.5 millimeters, the suggested hook. It's 100% acrylic. I think I might have used the 5.5. And it is purple ombre. So I got this at Michael's. And I used 1, 2, and then I had just a little bit of the yarn left here. And then I got into the third ball. I was trying to color control it and then discovered that it didn't have as much of this dark yarn as it did, and the light one here as it did the other colors. So start off trying to color control right here, and then I was like, okay, where's the dark? There's no more really dark yarn to use, except a little bit I had saved for this end, and there's also a little bit of the light left in here, but I didn't bother pulling it out. So yeah, that's that one. And then there's the one behind me here that I had showed in a previous video. This is using, I love this yarn, super soft. And this I also bought from Petra, I believe, at Petra's Happy Place. Hi, Petra. Okay, it is 100% acrylic. It is terracotta is the name of the color. It is very, very, very pretty color. 100% acrylic. It's a medium 4. Suggested hook for it was 5.5 millimeter. I believe that's what I used. And it's been a while because I've been, making these over the last couple of weeks. Yeah. Yeah, this is from Hobby Lobby. I love this yarn. And it's, I really do love this yarn. I so wish we could get this in Canada. Was there anything else? 100% acrylic. If there's anything I missed, I'm going to put at the bottom of the screen. I'll write it there. Like I said, the tutorial for that hat and scarf set is in the description box below. And this is all I had from that one skein. Made a hat and a scarf, and this is what's left. Okay, so what am I wearing on my head? Well, this is a Bag a Day crochet. Hi, Crystal. This is her reversible hat. Let me just show you. So let's turn this the other way. And we got ridges going horizontally. So I think it's pretty cool. And what is really, really cool too is that I actually had started designing one like this like months and months ago. For some reason I put it down and I didn't do it. So when I saw that Crystal had done it, I thought, oh, that's great, that's great. Oh my gosh, I think the same way as Crystal does. So I did something a little different with mine. She did the increased rows that go up to 72 stitches. I went up to 60, and that was good enough to fit my head. I'm not sure what my measurement of my head is. I'll write it across the screen once I measure it. But also she did 1 row of single crochets, I believe, around the bottom. I did 2 rows. So yeah, I think it's a cool hat. This yarn I used, I don't know what it is. I did not have a ball band for it, but I know I've had it in my stash for, oh, maybe 8 years. I started crocheting around 10 years ago maybe, and yeah, so I've had this a long time. So yeah, all right, so that's all I'm going to show you today. I do have a couple of other finished items, crochet items, but that'll be for another video. All right, so thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful day. Thank you. Bye for now.